Hey, thanks for coming to check out today's video. So today's video is sponsored by TOYOTRESS, a company that I know and love. I have been using for years. I'm sure you all know this brand as well. They make crochets, they make locks, braids, and just some really beautiful styles that I've worn multiple times throughout the years, and some of my favorite hairstyles have come from them. So I may create a TOYOTRESS playlist on my channel. I think that could be helpful because they are available on Amazon and they do ship Prime a lot of times overnight. So if you're in a bind and you need hair immediately for like a hair appointment the next day, or you know you're going out of town, you can order with them and get your hair almost immediately, which is super helpful when you're in a bind. So let's go ahead and crack open this box and see what TOYOTRESS has for us today. Of course, in normal Amazon fashion, you get a huge, ridiculous box for something this small. Wild. Okay, so it looks like we have 2 packs of 12-inch 1B, 8 packs in each of TOYOTRESS Yanky Twist hair. So this is really exciting. I think I've only tried this type of hair one other time, but it wasn't from TOYOTRESS. It was from a different brand. So I'm excited to see how these go. I know that these are pretty small and very lightweight, which I'm excited about because as it gets closer to warmer weather, I like to try shorter styles that are gonna be less warm, and lighter styles that won't weigh my hair down too much. So here's the hair, and I cut it, but I'm realizing, let me show you all what it looks like while it's still on the strand. Really pretty. Wow, they are so soft and so bouncy. You get a lot of hair on each pack. You get a lot of hair. I've seen some of the girls do them in half where you get more volume and you get a shorter style, but I think I don't mind mine being a little longer. All right, so I'm gonna take this wig off. If you're curious about this wig, I will leave the link to this style below. I've just been throwing this wig on to work out and to drop the kids off to daycare and school. It's a nice little throw on and go wig, a closure wig. So.
Oh, here it is. Here.
I'm recording.
Oh, sorry. It was right here. Sorry.
So let me show you my braid pattern. I just got 4 crazy looking braids in the front, 2 crazy looking braids in the back, and then 2 braids going across because I don't want to have any tension across the back of my hair. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 braids. Okay, so I've realized the older I get, anything that's less effort for me is better. And I'm a YouTuber, and I know that like I shouldn't be saying that because I should be like, you should put the highest amount of effort into your style. Like, nobody has time for that. We're doing our hair at home to save money and save time. Let's just be real. Let's just keep it 100. That's why we're doing our hair at home. We want to save money and we want to save time. Okay, that's why I'm telling you about hair that comes within 48 hours, that is very affordable, that you can do at home on braids that took you 20 minutes. Okay, that's what we're here for. And I have installed these before, so what I am gonna do, because this is, you know, this is lazy girl. I am all about a lazy girl crochet technique. That's my favorite. You look on my channel, that's my favorite thing to do. I love to cut corners when I do crochet. Because the greatest part about cutting corners when you do crochet is you can't tell the difference. It makes absolutely no difference in the ultimate outcome of the style, and I love that for me, and I want that for you. So I'm gonna teach you how to be lazy like me. So what we're gonna do is put 3 twists, and I like to just put them on my finger. Put 3 twists on, and we're gonna do 3 at a time because we're gonna fly through this. So like any other crochet, just go underneath the braid with your latch hook, close the latch hook, pull it through, and then pull the rest of the braids through, tighten the knot. And there you go, your first crochet install section done. Okay, so again, we're gonna add some space. We're gonna do 2 fingers and put the next one. So more than likely we'll get 4 across here. so there is the first section. All right, so a quick check-in. This is actually taking a lot more hair than I expected. Normally when I do crochets, I use 5 packs. So my ratio is always 3 packs at the back, 2 packs at the front. Right now, I already have 5 packs at the back. So I can tell you straight away, you're more than likely gonna need to buy 2 packs of 8 packs, which will get you 16 packs. And more than likely, I have a feeling I'll use 10 packs on my head instead of the normal 5. So yeah, I think I probably have like another 40 minutes and this will be installed. So I have a feeling this is probably an hour 20, hour 30 minute install. But I'll be back and you know, with the final results and my final thoughts. Hey, so I'm back. I did my makeup. I got myself together. I cut both sides of this hair. And this is actually 2 days later. So I've been rocking this hair for 2 days and I really like this hair. This hair is very, very lightweight, very, very cute. I really love how it looks. It's got a very natural, sort of carefree type of look to it that I really enjoy. I think it would be great to vacation with or even just to wear throughout the warmer months because it's so lightweight and so breathable. The way I installed it, it was so easy. Lazy girl method all day long with this one, super easy. I think I'll also do a video on how I take it out, but I may just do it as a short because it's really simple. I'm just gonna unbraid my braids underneath, and as I loose the braids, I'm just gonna pull the strands out because I want to use these again. Obviously you can go in and just like cut down the hair, but you won't be able to use it again. If you want to use it again, the way that I do it is I unbraid my braids, and since I did so few braids, it'll be very simple to, you know, just unbraid them, and as the braid loosens, you just pull the strand as it starts to fall out, and then you'll be able to wear them again. Oh, and before I forget, I want to show you guys this workout set that I have on. This is from Amazon. I was working out earlier today. It is a short set. I have clothes on. This is a set. I'm like, I don't want y'all to think I'm about to just get naked. But it's a short set, and it's from Amazon. Super affordable. I work out in this set. I have it in 2 colors. I work out in this set all the time. It's super comfortable, and I just really love how it looks. And it doesn't have that thing that accentuates your butt crack. You know those things that like accentuate your butt crack. There's a lot of those, but this one doesn't have it, and so I really like this workout set. It definitely compresses and keeps you nice and together. It has nipple covers as well. The material is nice and thick and just feels really, really good on. So I wanted to share this workout set in case anybody was curious. The jewelry is available on Amazon, as well as my press-on nails. If you're not checking me out on my shorts or on my Instagram, definitely check me out there. I do all my you know, nail tutorials there. So yeah, I love the hair. Let me show you guys like different ways to style it, because again, I do have two parting spaces, two parting options. Kind of just flip it back a little bit. So part it on one side, and I think the part looks pretty good. Pretty cute. It's really cute. Show the back. And then obviously part the other side as well. So obviously I probably need to slick down my baby hairs. I probably should go ahead and do that because my braids were so loose. So I'm gonna go ahead and lay down my baby hairs and take some photos. I'll go ahead and post those on Instagram as well as on my community tab. If you don't know, there are different tabs under each YouTuber's channel. You know, the first tab is gonna say home, then it's gonna say videos, then it's gonna say shorts, then it's gonna say community. And under community is where all my photo content is, just pictures and like updates and announcements. That's all under the community tab, so be sure to check that out. And if you're not subscribed, make sure you're subscribed, because that's the only way that like I'll come up in your feed, is if you go ahead and subscribe. So let me show the half up and half down. I'm definitely going to rock this half up, half down. If you all have any questions, I'll leave a coupon code in the description box and the comments, and I'll also leave a link to the hair there as well. So yeah, if I forgot anything or you have questions that I haven't answered, please comment and I will be sure to answer each and every one of you all. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. It means the world. You all just don't know, like you all engaging with me and watching me allows me to do what I love, to take care of my family, feed my family, and contribute to my household. So I really, really appreciate you all. Don't ever think that I don't, because I absolutely do. So thank you so much for watching, subscribing, commenting, doing all the things, because it just, you know, gets me in that good algorithm. If you guys like the video, do one thing for me: share the video. Share it with a friend, share it with a crochet lover, share this video with your mama. Peace.